Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this presentation for the compiler construction. We are going to see what is the compiler and why do we need compilers. This presentation is given by me, Abdullah Munir. Let's start with the number one point, which is what is a compiler? A compiler is a program which can translate a high-level language to a low-level language. This is because solutions are usually more efficient when the instructions are written in a machine language, or we also call it a low level language. So we move from a high level language to a low level language. So compilers do act as a bridge because they are tools to translate programs written in high level languages to an efficient executable code. Because languages closer to the level of problem domain, for example, languages which are closer to the computer architecture can be understood by computers, but they are difficult for the human to interpret. So that's the reason because we need to convert what the humans can understand to a language, to a medium which can be understood by the computer. So let's see what's the difference between a high level and a low level language. A high level language is the more strongly abstracted from the details of a computer architecture. It does not know what kind of details are being used under the computer architecture. It does not know the minor details or the inside elements of a computer. It is more understandable to a human mind rather than a computer. Because it's more understandable for a human to understand, it's also simpler and it makes the process of developing program more efficient and more easier for the user. So that there's a high amount of abstraction. By the abstraction means it's hidden from the detail. It was also called as autocode in the early 90s. And it was the first time it was created by Conrad Zhu. Let's see what low-level languages offer us. So low-level languages are a type of languages which has little to no abstraction. They are complete computer instruction set which are designed for that architecture. They are specially developed for a specific computer architecture so it can exactly map on on elements. The commands and functions of this language are closely mapped and they closely work together so it can give the processor the proper instructions to work. It is also referred as machine code or an assembly language, as we know in the early semesters. Because it's called a low-level language, it is also described as close to the hardware because it works more closely to the hardware rather than the program of the software or the human capabilities. It tend to be relatively non-portable because it's very optimized to a certain type of system architecture, like we learned in the previous semester for the assembly language. So we were working for a specific computer architecture, a specific assembly language. It might be different for different kind of architecture, similarly. So the question we have is once we know what the high level and low level languages are, why do we need a compiler? Why can't we just directly write to a low level language? Why do we need to have two kinds of language? And does every kind of computer needs a different kind of language or what? So as we know, the compiler can is a program which can convert a source code to a low level language. The problem is the computer understands only binary language, which is zeros and ones. And as we know, and when we know in computer architecture, it's either on or off, which is one or zero. So it's very difficult for a human to write code which is in a complete array of zeros and ones. So it's very difficult to understand and it's very difficult to write as well. So we need to have some kind of medium where we can easily understand what we are trying to code. And then we can have a program which can convert that code into something which the computer can understand. So that is where the compiler comes. It cannot execute a single instruction in any other form. So we must need to give the computer a binary language, which is a 0 and 1. So every kind of program must be written in 0 and 1. That is where the compiler comes in, and it helps us to write something we wrote in a more understandable way, was more understandable to a computer. So just imagine how cumbersome it would be if we have to write every program into 0 and 1. It would be a nightmare to write complex software. And humans are good at giving instructions into language, whereas computers can only process the binary language. It it more kind of works in like just like a translator, with two people from different nationalities are trying to converse, and each of them speak a specific language. So a translator is important, which will make sure that both parties can understand what they are trying to say. So definitely we have different kinds of compilers, which we learned in the semester. We have the hybrid system, we have the interpreters, we have the compilers, and we have the mixed system as well. So this is the main basis of why we need compilers. We just go through the summary really quick. So number one, it's difficult to write code in 0 and 1. Number two, each computer architecture is different, so it's not possible to write code for each computer architecture. So that's where the compiler comes, and it can translate each kind of all kinds of human understandable code into any kind of computer architecture. So because we are unaware of computer-based system, so in order to reduce that communication gap, this is where the compiler comes in. And definitely, when we have compilers, we can use it on a universal basis. So any kind of people with any kind of higher level language can convert it into low level language. Thank you for the opportunity. Any questions?